Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the purple journal kit in front of you, so start by laying out the journal, pen, and tabs. Begin the first entry by writing the date and a quick mood icon. This anchors later review. Once done, set a 10-15-minute timer and state one clear intention at the top: why you're journaling today. This short structure prevents overwhelm and makes it easy to continue. Make sure to place an index tab for easy retrieval. You'll now build a repeatable structure that speeds future sessions. Divide the page into 3 sections: gratitude, events, reflection, and mark tabs accordingly. For events, jot bullet lines and then expand 1 or 2 into 1-2-sentence insights. This gives depth without paralysis. Once done, color code emotions with a simple sticker or highlighter so you can spot patterns at a glance. Make sure to underline action items and transfer. You finish each session by writing one small action step and a 1-sentence summary, which seals the insight and prompts follow through. Once done, flip your index tab monthly to recap themes and set a 5-minute weekly review routine to track progress. If you ever get stuck, free write for 3 minutes or pull a prompt card from the kit to restart flow. This breaks perfectionism. Make sure to keep the kit visible so journaling becomes a simple, repeatable habit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.